Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Kasur New Kinong Malki set September 6 as final date for penalizing of police personnel involved in killing of surrendered HNLC member. Nyotrep Youth Council Shilla Area Unit facilitates military students from SSLC MBOS exams. Jainta script introduced as official medium of writing in GHADC, and Bes Kurba clarifies his usage of the word dalal. And now the news in detail. The newly formed Organization of the People of Malki and social organization known as Kasur New Kinong Malki today said that the state government should suspend all the police personnel involved in the killing of surrendered Nyotrep National Liberation Council CS Thank You. While extending support to Kasur Kinong Maulai, which demands suspension of police personnel involved in the killing of Thank You, Kasur New Kinong Malki said that the newly formed organization will wait till the 6th of September to see whether the state government will punish or not those police personnel. Speaking to the media, the spokesperson of Kasur New Kinong Malki, J. Kharbuli, said if the state government does not punish the police personnel, then they will organize a public rally after that.
But ia dan nge berperoki seng balang sengkat keseng PSU keseng FPGP keseng HYC HNYF keseng samla malki bagi kena senang berok dan senang malki hadirin bang LI hakpor kaya kelalek kejenja bersusi kejenja bersutang hari ini bagi ini kerja untuk hakpor senang mulai hakaba irang ba she ibara syaset yam bat kalakta ya beri beri jui hamtam yo nong mulai wang elatip pai ba mta nong maki hakaba kum kadak jeng kejing pesan kum kadak jeng kejing smolem ya kaya kesem dengan ba she bat kum kadak banyak macam perang ngila nakaliang jungiru ngila sim kawai karai ban pinsngau syaka sarkar bahkan nundai ban chimenti kumtu katu samla ba e jungi na pok molai kila kiwen namta ka bahak met snong molai namta ka bahak met kari ba e jungi kari Meghalaya ndrai ka basusi pede ni bakam dan kanu kata kejing pensnub ha yang ni kum pat nang snong Meghalaya kamdan kanu kadang KBI penmentoy kapa pensnub tamat yang ni ki pat kena kalian juga sang maki ki bangiju wan chkmat habre berti jing shan jong snong ka thau ngim snong la men chut klain kti kum ni ngiru ni kesan ni kasur molai bat ni wan hang ni bat penpau ba lada ka sarkar hi kashminti be kumni.
The headman of Maulai Putmuri, Bes Kurba, today informed that there was no division in the meeting of the Maulai Town Darbar held on Saturday. Kurba said the meeting, however, expressed resentment connotes a third party or middleman. Kurba said his role as a headman is for ensuring peace in the society.
Qua ban sai hằng đi khấn dắt sập hằng cả chính đây dùng cầm Maulai Putmuri nông bắt cầm Maulai Town Darbar Maulai Town Darbar bắt nghi nyeteli himlan cầm don cái gì bạch yapra cầm don cái gì pher jing mut cầm don cái nó cái gì jing bom mía sụt jing mut ha te cái này long pensai syaki paiba juga beri nyotrep ba kamulai Town Darbar kasur kinong mulai ni teli lang kawai hakipor kisni ki bandang wanru inangai long kumju takipai beri nyotrep kimdei ban sim dok mai pat ya kene kaya jingya keren ki jungi ndai kaya jingya pher jingmut ka judan hi hangno no lar dei hayeng kasem ne hano no ru ngasu komen si ka dei babaro ki rang ba snong mulai Town Darbar ki mulai song menin ki le sim ni garai ban pha ya kene ka press statement ke belong ke banwan ra ya ka jing mentoy bat ke banwan ra ru ya ka jing ba na muta ki khun samla jong to mulai บัดจงกับรีวันโยตรับฮิบรอกไว้บาคุณก็นี่ก็จึงเป็นยับเปลกอีกคนสำลาจึงนี้กันดมเดวันจาชูหากปวร์กิสนีบันดังวัน
Ulapan Shairu bakajing pendon kami yak kentin dalal shemut kum baula kentho yu Henry Ulapan Shai bakat kum kajing mut jong haba upen mi yaka dalal umut ki broker ni ki middleman ki bajudan benta ban yarap ki brio ki bawan najingai ban pendep kloy kenu kam haki office sarkar but what iki bayade thi jakaru ki don bet ki brio ki bahapdeng ban penterwai ki jakaputa ong ru bakasyong haka mindset ni kajing mut jing perkhat jing ki brio ban shim ki kajing mut jong ki kentin bau kren Hakini kejingelang kelepen sngawru syaka sarkar jela hapok kejingelam ukonrat sangma kum menteri rangba kejela bagajing sospon yakini ki pulit badon ketiban set yap yau ba che thank you kamde bandon jing AAA nakaliang jong u. The Hinyotrep Youth Council Shela Area Unit today facilitated the 7 girl students of Ram Krishna Mission Secondary School, Desong Shela, who secured first division in the SSLC MBOS examination. All the 7 students were given 6,000 rupees each, including mementos at a facilitation program named Tur Shaprang Award 2021. The girls were given the Jainsem to remind them to keep their own dignity while studying outside from their homes. The program was attended by the members of the unit, mothers, headmen, students and teachers. Speaking on the occasion, the leader of the unit, Roy Kupar Sindram, said that he was proud to know that Shela is producing brilliant students every year. He said the community needs to produce IAS, IPS, IES to man all the government's department.
Sama Jimolo, Global Organizing Secretary juga Sengkumen, sama Isaac Bazemwal, Uday Western, General Secretary, OCC, ki ikut bersipai sampai choice Shela Area Unit, ibarat enam ni, enam takkan panggil enam bah pelat dan mukul enam menipur wini kira ramah dan syam dan tahu sekretari yang berbarkan solat ki noikai nanti untuk berwaras wini high school dan yang syam berkerbangnya menanda jopi ikon samla berkibai hasan ikbai kipa kibalai enam akhir program dosen semoga yang subai yang baru penting jom senang jom tekam jurang penting jom cek dendrian dendrian di meningkongnya nah semua I.
Dear viewers, will take a short break for important announcement. The Don Bosco Media Network is happy to announce that we will be broadcasting our news and other programs from Lelanki cable operators from the 1st of September 2021.
The older I get, the more I think you only get a minute, better live while you're in it, 'cause it's gone in a blink. And the older I get, the truer it is. It's the people you love, not the money and the stuff that makes you rich. And if they found a fountain of youth, I wouldn't drink a drop, and that's the truth. Funny how it feels, I'm just getting to my best years yet. The older I get, I don't mind all the lines from all the times I've laughed and cried. Souvenirs and little signs of the life I've lived. The older I get, the longer I pray. I don't know why, I guess that I've got more to say. And the older I get, the more thankful I feel for the life I've had and all the life I'm living.
The executive member of Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council and chairman of Jaintia Alphabet Committee, Fasmoon Dakhar, has officially released the book titled Kakot Aji Kai Dak Abi Jaintia, written by Rukoma Lalu. Earlier, the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council on the 2nd of March 2021 unanimously agreed to officially recognize the Jaintia alphabet. The writer was a member of Jaintia Alphabet Committee of the JHADC. The writer started writing the Jaintia alphabet from 2017. The book was released at a function held at Yung Wale at Panalir Jawai, in which Rikut Pareng, ex-president of JSU, was present. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Fasmoon Dakhar expressed happiness that the council was able to recognize the Jaintia alphabet after consulting persons from the Department of Linguistics.
What were the members of the Jaintia Alphabet Committee ku em lang hai ni la em gi cha ong wa I penmi I gi ni kiten to I mani ki nong tempia ye gi cha bro ini to cibon jubab iki handrai hadin do nga ibidan I jubaba onga wa ya ka ri Meghalaya ka yong I ka state Meghalaya ka yong I nado wasdang usdang ue ka manga ka state Meghalaya da pia eka haki lejat ki district council ka wi to ka Jaintia ka khasi wa ka karo kini ki district council ki em ki ka hok ko open scam open net ya iyong rim haga jajar ka thau ka yong ki ka district council to em ka bor ko hakle do open net pensa ya nado ikte ithle hado ka dusto ka riti hado ka khandau ka chia manda juba iki ni ong pun na wasdang to da phia yi ki lebenta to wa I wa pen pia yi ka jai pro gyong I em ka le tli ki benta hapo ka states Meghalaya to do ko widan hi ka jai pro u Jaintia ye perno khasi la ye perno Jaintia kam ju no karo nei ta dam bem ru yo yi ki te jingli ki wa ngai ajan snyao to gi ti juba yong nga yi ki ta he to oite la ye gini luti kawa upendet ye gini kot nga chima ipor yang nga khajak hapudi ipon kam opala jumut ye gini kot ka committee nang phet ki kam poi ho uitwan UCM usmat kre kam upo ho uitwan uslo dam ukra kam handrai em bha yo hagani ko katni kawa ujo hi chief executive members umanma thombor siwat wai wadi yoi ya chairman yang Jaintia Alphabet Committee uman bru wa em skiat kita isnyao hayato wa kamon upne pensa ya yang idihi iktin ithle.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.